promise that
Simon Okwalinga obirojwe kire chairman wakachikwaka agizire ngo bwa nyuma yo kufutaya y'abatungiro kuhamya ngo factory je ino muramwa ngo kandi nayija kubeco mutano okureta intention mu cyangeki.
When in her presentation we came to learn that 30.6 billion shillings that we as Parliament and more so as the Presidential Affairs Committee appropriated for them did not reach as in planned. That is something that we are going to investigate to find out what could have happened. Is it as a result of the envelope, the revenue envelope of government, or is it just somebody, a saboteur somewhere trying to sabotage a very good project like this one? This is something that we are going to investigate as a committee.
PBD ingashi factory y'ebitoke nk'abantu bakujeta okwija gukora umurimo gwitunka members ba parliament okureba ngo esente zibakohereza kunu ziriyo zikora ineke yongireho. First of all nyenda kusima president abo kureba ngo factory ji akagireta kunu ya Bushenyi gureta Bushenyi but in particular yagiteko mu Bushenyi district.
Orukukurira factory y'ebitoke ya Nyaruzinga Professor Florence Mulanga asimira abanyishengero ahabwo kwijuka kureba sente yo miwo mushoro ekozire
era twebaza bakama babo era nabo nabaze ukora nti batesemu ebiseera n'obumaliri bukola nti balabira ddala kintu kyonna nga bwe kiri okuva luto kubira ddala mu research end okukira ddala mu processing and ate n'okutuusa ekiseera okwogera nabo n'okubawa lopooti zaffe ngambye nti si buli komiti ekola ekyo.
Twarambuzibwa Dr. Muranga yaturambuza the whole estate, the whole factory ebyokukora. First of all namase munonga abukorwa aha nasima products zabakora kandi nsima government ya NRM yagitandikire by division bearer our president Museveni kurangu akatekateka kugira ngo ibyo byo mu Western Bushenyi in particular as a district factory yombezwa aha ne yamba okuta value addition on process konekora.
Zahara Ruyirika omunyishengero wa Makindye West ashabire government okutamamani factory tandiche okureta sente za doro mu ihanga.
Niye project nungi era singa bagikutte bulungi ngetambudde bulungi yandibadde erina impact ey'amaanyi ku bantu ba bulijjo okuwanga nga Uganda. Technology mulungi olaba nti bainvestinze nnyo government njebaza investinze nnyo mu project eno era olaba nti abaana balina emirimu wano e Bushenyi bw'eneeba egenze ng'etambula bwetinegera mu districts ez'enjawulo nekampala ewaffe nayo tugyetaaga.
Factory ji yamazire kukora cooperatives 20 mu cyanga cya Ankore aho abatura baragumene baraba kutwara ebitoke omuri Nyaruzinga Bushenyi. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.